To see all available products in your Napp app, navigate to the menu item called Products. Here, you can browse through all available products in your Napp platform. To filter on products, click the filter icon in the top right corner. You can filter on either product name, product SKU, or price. To add a product to your cart, choose a quantity and click on the cart symbol. If you want to share a product with a client, click on the sharing icon and the product will be added to your draft share. Navigate to the menu item Share to share it with a customer. To faster add products to a cart, navigate to the menu item called Cart. Under Products, you can quickly search for a product name and product SKU and add products to your cart. Under Customer, insert the customer that you are creating the order to. Find the customer in the existing customer list. If your customer is not already created in the platform, you can easily create a new customer with the Create New Customer button. If your customer has specific price rules, these will now apply to products while searching for them, as well as in your cart. When you have placed an order, you can follow its progress under the menu item My Orders. Here, you'll see a list of all your active orders. The status of your order is shown in the right side of the screen. Click on your order to see the full order details.